Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a pair of Red Wing mock toe boots that we're going to give a little overhaul to.
Yeah, we've done Red Wing mock toes or just mock toes in general about a year ago, and you guys really seemed to like those videos. So when this one came in, we said, why not? Let's do another one. But this one has a little bit different sole than what we normally do. So let's get out to the shop and get started. All right, guys, so we pulled all the old cork out. We're gonna put fresh cork in here, but one of the things that we also want to do, as many of you know, is we're going to remove all of the old stitches up here on the welt. This welt appears to be in really good shape. You know, that's why we love leather welts, and Red Wing often uses leather welts. So if it's in good shape, you can reuse it. So we're going to get these out of here, and then we'll recork it and keep going from there. Okay, you can see how beat up and dirty these boots are. I don't know the last time they've been cleaned off or seen conditioner, so that's what we're going to do first, because I want to get it cleaned off before we put on the new sole and put that white stitching on there. I definitely don't want to clean it after the fact. So let's get these looking much better on the uppers. You can see how dirty that soap is getting, so might have to scrub these down a couple of times. Yeah, you can see how dirty it is. Okay, one of the things that a lot of you guys ask is, you always ask if the boot had shanks or shoes had shanks sometimes when you don't see them. So this particular pair of Red Wings did not have a shank inside. That's not necessarily a bad thing. I know a lot of brands that sometimes will put shanks in a particular style. This one wasn't needed because it came with a crepe sole. However, because of the more rigid type of sole and heel we're putting on this, it is going to need a shank to make it more comfortable on the user's foot. So that's what we're putting these in for, and then we will put a little cork in there. Like I said, we're going to reuse these leather welts. They're in great shape still, but what I'm going to do is just lightly rough up the bottom of the leather, and that's just going to allow the new glue that we put on here to adhere a little bit better. While the glue's drying, I've got a little extra time. So I'm just curious, how many of you ladies and gents out there are James Bond fans? I know I am. And I cannot wait for this new video this week, or this new film. I've been waiting forever. Kind of sad to see Daniel Craig go, as I think he was an awesome James Bond guy. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. By this time this video comes out, some of you guys may have seen it, so leave us a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts on the movie, whether you like James Bond, the 007 films. You know, we're just kind of curious. What about you, Heath?
Yeah, I'm pretty pumped about the movie. I was not a Daniel Craig fan as James Bond when he first came out. I'm old school. I like Sean Connery, but the more he started making, I don't know, man. I'm a huge Daniel Craig fan now, and I'm a little bummed that this is the last one that he's going to be in. So, yeah.
Okay, last thing we're going to do, we're going to condition these boots. As you can see, they're super dried out and they need some moisture put back in them. So let's put some oiled leather cream back into these, and that should just about be it. They'll be ready to go.
All right, so we are finished with this pair of boots. I think this looks pretty good, but before we show you the final product, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, because it definitely helps YouTube to push this video out. The algorithm likes it, and we like it when you do that. So, Trent, what do we do to these things?
Okay, so this pair of Red Wings came in and they had Christie crepe soles on there. A lot of them come in with the Christies, and you know, they're very comfortable. They do wear out a little quicker. So this gentleman said, hey, can you get rid of the Christie and let's put on the Vibram Lug Sole? So that's what we did. It was pretty basic resole. You know, we took the old Christies off, removed the old Cort. So we put a metal shank in this one because we didn't want him to feel the big difference between the two different sole types.
When you have that drop off in the heel versus the wedge, you need something to kind of protect, support the foot. So.
Yep. Like I said, we reuse the welt. Again, that's the advantage of having a leather welt. You know, they just hold up better than the hard plastic ones or the hard rubber ones. So we also cleaned them off, put some oiled conditioning cream in there, and I think they look good. There wasn't a whole lot to this one.
If he wants tread, then this is definitely the one to go. I mean, the sole by Vibram is kind of like the old faithful. It's beefy, it's treaded, and it'll get you to where you want to go.
Yeah. So again, guys, if you're interested in sending in your boots or your shoes, if you want to look and find the best shoe care products out there for your shoes, for your boots, whatever it may be, check out our website, potterandsons.com. The link is down there in the description box. Also, southernpolish.com. It is down there as well. Follow us on Instagram at Potter and Sons. We always appreciate the follow on there as well. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, y'all have a good one.